So my name is Rodrigo. I am CEO and founder from Acquandas. Acquandas is a global OEM supplier for smart metallic microcomponents. Nowadays, technologies such as laser cutting, chemical etching, flex circuits, 3D printing, and MEMS supply components for bioelectronic, microtechnology, and smart actuators. Those markets need much more than that. Have special needs like, for instance, self-expandable biocompatible devices with extra functionality, which means material combination, high feature resolution and numbers, more design freedom, and of course, low cost. There are also several other needs, for instance, in the bioabsorbable devices, which shows controlled absorption and also low gas development, and also in the microcomponents and actuators for high functional fatigue resistance, high temperature actuators, and high stress sensors and low cost. Acquandas was founded in 2012, and we have developed a unique additive technology to fabricate smart metallic components based on microsystem technology. This means we use a combination of several macrosystem technology processes like UV lithography, magnetron sputtering, and wet chemical etching to fabricate smart metallic components. Here you are seeing an example of a material that is going inside of a catheter, and it returns its original shape at the end. So this material is biocompatible. You can create membranes from 5 to 8 microns. You can create the whole devices. You can also activate these devices using temperature. Here you're seeing an example of that. So we heat this material, it returns its original shape, and then you can move some parts or some components. But you can also have a device for minimal invasive implantation, which means that I have this super elastic biocompatible material, and on top of that, I have sensors. I can place ceramics, piezoelectric materials, and so on. With that, we offer components based on shape memory materials, bioabsorbable materials, ceramics, magnetic materials, conducting materials, as well as piezoelectric materials. We offer 4 technology platforms: the fabrication of components 2D structures with a profile like this, a 2D profile. We can fabricate devices with stepwise profile like this that I'm showing there, as well as these cups. We can fabricate these devices just with our additive process. What is also interesting is the technology platform that we call integrated functionality. So we combine this smart material with multi-layers. This means we have here our super elastic material, we have a ceramic isolator, we have an electrode like gold, platinum, iridium, we have an isolator on top. And with that, we have a self-expandable device that can be used not only in the medical application, but also in the industry. We can also realize coatings. These are our 4 technology platforms. Which markets we are working right now? We are working in the bioelectronic market, a market that needs sensors, that need devices that go inside of the body, for instance, and measure something or activate something. Another market is the microtechnology for medicine, but also for medical application, but also for industry. Here you are seeing some examples of stand-like structures with a valve in the middle, and also another device with some cups for drug delivery. Or other market is the smart actuator, so you can create springs, you can create devices, small devices that can actuate then other parts of the product. The market potential nowadays in the medical, just to give an example, is huge. It's something about 70 billion euros, and we are an OEM supplier, so we have to consider this market with something about 1.2 or bigger than 1.2 billion euro. With that, Acquandas has immense opportunity because we have this patent unique additive technology with several benefits like miniaturization, like freedom of design, superior mechanical properties. We have materials that does not have fatigue. We can go 500 million cycles without any functional fatigue. For certain application, it's very interesting. Customization, this means we can create the device exactly as our customers need. Cost efficient, we are talking about a batch process. Additional functionality is easy to do with this technology. Rapid prototyping, microstructure, surface, is a biocompatible material and technology, and is also simple alloy engineering. Not only that, we have a very strong expertise in engineering, development, and fabrication. We see great potential for disruptive markets and a huge market value bigger than 1.2 million. What we are doing right now, we have worldwide more than 45 customers. We have up to now 1.2 million euros turnover, more than 12 patents, more than 25 publications, and we are expecting our break-even with a turnover of 9.2 million in 2023, and in 10 years from now, 100 million turnover with EBIT of 44%. So I hope you have understand a little bit our technology. I will be available in our booth J111. If you have more questions, please let me know. Thank you for your attention.